Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Encoder Commune. I am Subham. Today I am going to start with the Android Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we will make an Android app which is consist of login and registration page. So we will use Firebase. So we will make a login and registration page with Firebase. So Firebase is cloud platform, which is online database. So we will use Firebase. So make sure you have created a project. So I have created a project name is first project, and make sure you have chosen empty activity. Now let's go to the tools and we will check Firebase. So in Firebase we will go to analytics, login analytic, connect to Firebase. So we are connecting the Firebase to our Android Studio. Make sure you have internet connection. See here, add project. So we will add project, first project. Now in first project we will continue that. Now continue first project and accept all guidelines and create the project. So it will take time, so that till then we pause the bit. So it will take time. So you can see it's finished. Now just continue. Now just connect it. After connecting, it will go to the local host. So the Firebase is connected. Now just go to the assistant. Go to the Firebase, and after that just go to the authentication, email authentication. Add Firebase authentication to your app. Accept changes. So you can see Gradle is running. Till then we will go to our Firebase console and go to console. So in Firebase console we choosing the first project. Now go to the authentication. Sign in method, and you can see here is email password disabled. So just enable it and just save it. So after enabled, go to the project and you can see dependencies set up correctly. Now just minimize it and go to the refactor main activity and go to the refactor and rename the activity with start activity. Start activity and go to the resource layout activity main and go to the refactor rename. In that we also choose activity start. So after that we will create new activity, empty activity, and we will take register activity. And we will create another activity which is login activity. So activity, empty activity, then give the name is login activity. So now we will start with the start activity. So in a start activity XML file, change layout to the relative layout. Activity start XML file, change relative layout and remove the text view, and we will give two button match parent wrap content, and the layout margin will be layout margin top will be 100 dp, and we will give text which is register, and ID will be register, so just copy it and paste below, and now just change the ID. Here you can keep the login, and in the text you will give login, and layout below ID will give of register. So you can see here. So you can see its layout is completed. Now let's go to the XML in the start activity.java file. In start activity.java file, we will create private button, and register activity name register button, and login button. And after that we will create find view by ID. So register button is equal to find view by ID r.id dot ID which is given in the XML file, which is register, capital register, and the login button is equal to find view by ID r.id dot login. So after that we will create on-click listener for register and login button. So register button dot set on-click listener, enter new control space view on-click listener, click. And now we will start activity new intent, and current activity is the start activity dot is comma, it will go to the register activity. So register activity dot java, so dot class. So after the clicking the register button, it will go to the register activity class, and now we will finish it. Now we will look now we will create for login button dot set on click listener new control space view on click listener. In that start activity new intent start activity dot this comma login activity dot class, and just finish it. So the A start activity work is over. Now we will go to the register activity XML file. Go to the text. We will give relative layout, and we will create to edit text, match parent wrap content, and the text hint will be the email, ID will be the email, and the layout top, margin top is 100 dp. So that's it. Just copy it and the paste it below, and we will give here the ID is the password, and the hint is password, and the layout below, give the layout below ID, give the ID of the email. So you can see, and just the margin top is the 10 dp. So that's it for this. And now we will create a button. So match parent and wrap content, give the ID is equal to register button, register, and the layout below of the ID of, give the ID of the password. So you can see here it's given. Now just give the margin top is the 10 dp. Now and give the text. So text will be the register. So you can see layout is completed. Now go to the register activity.java, and we will create a edit text and the button. So the private edit text, email edit text, email edit text, password edit text, and we will create the private button. Private button, register button. So now we will create the find by ID. So the email edit text equal to find by ID, and the r.id dot the ID which is given in the activity register.xml file. So the register oh shit, that is the email. Yeah, now the password and edit text is equal to find by ID r.id dot password, and now we will create a button for button, register button equal to find by ID. Now we will create a one click listener. So the register button dot set on click listener, new control space view on click listener, and now we will create a string. So string which will contain the text email, text email equal to email edit text dot get text dot to a string. And now we will create a string for password, string text password is equal to password edit text dot get text dot to a string. And now we will check either email or password is empty or not. So if text utils dot is empty for text email, and or text utils dot is empty for text password. Now we will create a toast message, toast, and we will give the text is a empty credential. If block is true, then we will give empty credential. So we will create else if the password is the less than 6, password length is less than 6, then we will print another toast. So here we will give the, in else if we will give the text password is dot length is less than 6, then we will create a toast, and in which that print that password is too short. So the password are too short. So this is finished. So after that we will create an else condition where we will register the user. So here we will call the register method which has not created yet. So in the register method we will give text email and text password, and just come here, create method, register method. So you can see it's passed the text email and text password. So now come to in this, and here we will create the here, come to here and create private Firebase auth, and come here auth equal to Firebase auth dot get instance. After that come to in register method and auth dot create user with email and password, and we will give the text email and text password dot add on complete listener add on complete listener and the register activity dot this comma. So the register activity dot this and comma new on complete listener. So new on complete listener, you can see here, and now we will come here. So here we will check if the task dot is complete or not. Dot complete so this is a small task. Yeah, task dot is complete or not. So if that is completed, then we will print a toast message. So create a toast and we will give the message is the registered user success. Registered user success. So the registered user success, and after that start activity, and we will go to the main activity. So we have not created a main activity yet, so come here and create a main activity. New, go to the activity, empty activity, and the main activity, just finish it. And now come to the register. So here we will give register activity dot this comma main activity dot class. Oops. New intent. Now this register activity dot this main activity dot class, and after that finish the activity. So this is for the if, and the else, for in the else condition we will print, we will give toast message which is registration is failed. Registration failed. So this is, that's it for this activity, and give their column. Yeah, so semicolon here. So after that, now just run the code. So Gradle is building. So I am using SCR's CPY. So you will see the output here. Yeah, so you can see here is the register. So in the register activity, just see my email ID and the password is jvac@106248. So just register here. So you can see there was a registration successfully, and you can see it comes in the main activity. So in the next video we will make the login activity and also the logout button. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and watch the next video for the login and logout button. So thank you.